We look at crime from a number of disciplinary perspectives, some of them more applied, some of them more critical, psychological, from political science perspectives, sociological, legal. I've done a lot of work in the area of corrections, so I wasn't here very long, where I did a big study of risk assessment for Manitoba corrections in the provincial jail. And then over the years, probably done quite a bit of work in the problem-solving courts. So the Winnipeg Drug Treatment Court, we did research there for, I don't know, like 8 or 9 years, and we did the first large-scale evaluation of the mental health court that was run in Winnipeg. And so what's been, I think, very positive about that research and the Justice Research Institute is its heavy involvement of students. So I'm pretty proud. I mean, our students have gotten a lot of exposure at the undergraduate level to some fairly involved and responsible research. Criminal Justice Department, I think, it's a pretty solid social science major. So in terms of the writing, in terms of the appreciation of things like evidence-based practice, in terms of more nuanced types of thinking, I mean, we do all those things. We keep a foot in the field. Although, you know, again, we're an academic department, and we do research and are critical of the system, and don't apologize for that.
I am a student here at the U of W, studying both criminal justice and psychology. I am chasing a double honors degree, and I'm currently the president of the Criminal Justice Student Association. I want to work in forensic psychology. I want to do analysis and interviews of offenders and people who are accused of some pretty serious crimes. I've always been interested in NCRMD, which is not criminally responsible by reason of mental defect or mental disorder. It's always been just a topic of interest for me, and it's pretty polarizing in Canada in the last 10 years as well. What I've gained from my studies, of course, my academic standards are even higher now. Time management is a big one that I'm still currently learning. But with criminal justice specifically, there's a lot of wake-up calls in your first year of study. Within the class, we talk about events that are happening right now, cases that are in the courts right now in Canada. One of the main things is the tough-on-crime theory that, you know, if somebody does something bad, toss them in the clink, throw away the key, lock them up, they deserve what they get, etc. There's a lot of misconceptions regarding Canadian versus American law as well. And criminal justice, our systems are much more different than people think they are. So there was a lot to learn in the first year.